Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carbon steel wok is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of cookware you can have in your kitchen, capable of searing, stir-frying, deep-frying, and even steaming with unparalleled efficiency and flavor development that non-stick alternatives simply cannot replicate, making it a favorite among professional chefs and home cooks alike for its ability to achieve that perfect, smoky wok with proper care and seasoning. Number 5. Craft Wok Traditional Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok. Experience the authentic taste of Chinese cooking with this traditional hand-hammered wok. Its round bottom design is perfect for achieving that classic wok flavor. Crafted from heavy-duty 15-gauge carbon steel, this wok is built for commercial-grade performance. It's designed to withstand high heat and deliver exceptional results. This wok is ideal for use on gas stovetops, professional wok burners, open fires, and BBQs. Its curved bottom ensures perfect heat distribution for effortless tossing. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with the wooden main handle, while the steel helper handle provides stability and convenient storage. Both are designed to stay cool during cooking. Each wok is meticulously hammered by Chinese masters, a testament to its quality and craftsmanship. It's the proven choice for professional chefs seeking genuine wok cooking. We provide complete, step-by-step seasoning instructions to ensure your wok is ready for use. Proper care will ensure this wok brings you joy for years to come. What we like. This wok is designed for those who crave authentic Chinese cooking. Its round bottom shape is perfect for achieving that elusive wok flavor, ideal for gas stoves and open flames. If you're looking to replicate restaurant-quality stir-fries at home and have a powerful burner, this is the wok for you. What people say. The wok is made of high-quality carbon steel, ensuring excellent heat distribution and retention for perfect stir-frying. Its flat bottom design makes it compatible with various stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. The wok comes pre-seasoned, which helps in achieving a natural non-stick surface over time with proper care. Number 4. Souped Up Recipes 12.5-inch Carbon Steel Wok. This versatile wok is pre-seasoned and ready for immediate use. From sizzling stir-fries and crispy deep fries to pan-searing and even soups, it handles it all. Crafted from durable carbon steel, it handles high heat without damage and won't scratch. With proper care, this wok is designed to last a lifetime. Tired of rusty woks? We provide simple care instructions to help you cook like a pro. Enjoy effortless cooking and maintenance. Its original flat bottom design ensures compatibility with electric, induction, and gas stoves. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen heat source. Brought to you by a popular YouTuber with over 2 million subscribers, you can trust its quality. Plus, get access to over 400 video recipes. This comprehensive set includes a 12.5-inch wok, a stainless steel spatula, a wooden lid, and a user guide. Everything you need to start cooking. What we like. This wok is perfect for beginners and those with diverse stovetops. Its flat bottom makes it compatible with electric, induction, and gas stoves, and it comes pre-seasoned for immediate use. If you want a hassle-free entry into carbon steel wok cooking with helpful extras, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The wok is made of carbon steel, which is known for its excellent heat conductivity and durability. The flat bottom design ensures stability on various stovetops, including induction. It comes pre-seasoned, making it ready to use right out of the box and reducing the initial seasoning effort. Number 3. JOYCE CHEN Classic Series 14-inch Carbon Steel Wok Set. Introducing the JOYCE CHEN Classic Series 14-inch wok. It's designed to withstand high-temperature cooking, perfect for all your culinary adventures. This wok is engineered to handle intense heat, ensuring perfect results every time. Remember to season it before and regularly for optimal performance. Crafted from a lightweight 1.5mm carbon steel gauge, it's stronger, lighter, and thinner than traditional woks. This makes it easy to maneuver while cooking. Its flat bottom design ensures it stays balanced on any stovetop without needing extra accessories. Enjoy a stable cooking experience. The solid birchwood handle, along with the helper handle, offers a comfortable grip. Plus, the main handle can be removed for convenient oven use. What we like. This wok offers a balance of traditional material and modern convenience. Its lightweight yet strong carbon steel and flat bottom ensure stability on any stovetop. If you appreciate a lighter feel and the option for oven use with removable handles, this classic series wok is a great option. What people say. The wok is made of high-quality carbon steel, ensuring excellent heat distribution and retention for perfect stir-frying. Its flat bottom design makes it compatible with various stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. The wok comes pre-seasoned, which helps prevent sticking and makes it ready to use right out of the box. Number 2. Craft Wok Flat Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok 14-inch. Experience the authentic taste of stir-fry with this hand-hammered carbon steel wok. Its traditional craftsmanship ensures superior heat distribution for perfect results every time. Designed with a flat bottom, this wok is perfect for electric and gas stoves, including flat induction cooktops. It provides stability and even heating on any surface. Crafted from heavy-duty 15-gauge carbon steel, this wok is built to last. It's the same quality trusted by professional chefs in China for years. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its wooden handle, while the steel helper handle offers added support during high-heat cooking and convenient storage. We provide simple seasoning instructions to get you started. Our dedicated customer service team is always available to guide you through the process. Join the ranks of professional chefs who rely on this wok for authentic stir-frying. Rediscover the joy of cooking with a tool designed for passion and performance. What we like. This wok is for the home cook who wants professional quality on modern appliances. Its hand-hammered carbon steel and flat bottom are designed for electric and induction stoves, offering durability and excellent heat distribution. If you have a flat cooktop and desire a robust, chef-grade wok, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The wok is made of carbon steel, which is known for its excellent heat conductivity and durability. The flat bottom design ensures stability on various stovetops, including induction. It heats up quickly and evenly, making stir-frying efficient and effective. Number 1. Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok. Experience the true taste of wok hay with precise temperature control. Achieve complex charred aromas and flavors like never before. Need to change the temperature or cooking time? No problem. Its intuitive digital controls allow for immediate adjustments without starting over. Choose from 6 preset temperatures or fine-tune your own from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. You can also adjust cooking time anytime. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for dorms, RVs, campsites, and small apartments. Its multiple wattage settings ensure performance even with limited power. Patented insulation technology brings heating coils closer for faster, even heating. Enjoy optimal cooking without hot or cold spots. It automatically shuts off when cooking is complete and won't start if the wok is removed. Enjoy a safer cooking experience with no open flames. It transfers 85 to 90% of energy directly to the wok for faster cooking and energy savings. It's significantly more efficient and safer than traditional stovetops. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for those seeking precision and portability. The integrated induction base with exact temperature controls allows for incredible versatility, from dorm rooms to RVs. If you value cutting-edge technology, consistent results, and the ability to cook anywhere, this electric wok system is unparalleled. What people say. The wok heats up very quickly and evenly, making stir-frying a breeze. The carbon steel construction ensures excellent heat retention and durability. It comes pre-seasoned, which saves a lot of time and effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.